Hello friends, last week my AWS cost went high. I was wondering why there is suddenly a spike in my AWS cost. Also, I was little bit curious like what are the suspicious activity happening on my account. So going through AWS console using Cost Explorer service or using CloudTrail service is little bit complex. For example, if you want to check usage, so you need to put filter, you need to choose services. This is something time consuming, right? In the CloudTrail also, putting filter, identifying user related events is not straightforward. So I came up with the service which allows you to put your requirement in natural language and get the results. We can implement this using AWS MCP Server. You might be wondering what is MCP Server. So MCP Servers basically allows your AI model to talk with real-time systems like AWS or any other systems. There are different MCP servers for different systems. Here we will be installing AWS MCP Server for Cost Explorer, then CloudTrail, right? Then along with that we can also install Cloud Control API MCP servers for API related operations. I will show you one by one how to install it. So basically go to the page, there is a link, install MCP server. Okay, before that you need to make sure that your terminal has AWS CLI access. So you need to set up the AWS credentials. You can simply set up environment variable, then open Visual Studio. Now go back to the page, click on the link and then click on install. Similarly, go to the another MCP server. So I will be using Cost Explorer. Install, open. Then third is CloudTrail MCP server. Install. Okay, in the Copilot you need to choose agent, and in the settings section you need to scroll down and you will see MCP servers are running. So I have Cloud Control MCP Server, CloudTrail MCP Server for understanding CPU usage on my EC2s, and one more is Cost Explorer MCP Server. So next step is configuration of this MCP server. So here you can see this list of MCP servers along with their configuration. So here you need to configure AWS profile that you are using for the credential. Okay, so for all MCP servers, AWS profile and the region I have already set, and here you can see that MCP servers are running. Okay, if there is some issue then MCP server may get stopped, so you need to fix that configuration and start it. Okay, now my Copilot agent ready to ask queries. 3 security sensitive events recently happened on my account. It is now processing my query. Based on that it will identify like which MCP server to call. So now here it is calling Cloud Control API MCP server. Again it is asking for Cloud Control MCP server permission. I would say allow this session. Here you can see multiple console login without MFA. All login were performed using assume role administrator access. Consistent IP pattern. So here it is recommending me to enable MFA, review administrative access, monitor IP changes. Next question is, what are the activities recently performed by Yogesh P user on my account? Here it is CloudTrail MCP server. These are Cloud Control API MCP servers. This is CloudTrail MCP server. It is calling lookup event. So now it got the response. So recently Yogesh P user has AWS service interaction with CloudWatch, CloudTrail, S3, AWS notification SNS. Also Yogesh has access IAM. He has done specific actions, access pattern for this time period. My next question would be recent CloudTrail events events for failed login attempt on my AWS account. So here it says that these are the successful logins. So all logins from this user, no failed login attempt was there in last 3 days. I will ask few queries related to cost. Compare AWS cost for last 4 weeks. Here it is making call to Cost Explorer MCP server. So here it has given me the detailed breakdown of cost usage, monthly comparison, key changes in the service month over month, and decrease, increase, recent trends, top services by cost, right? Next query would be, can you check reserve instance usage in RDS, EC2 and Elastic cache on this account? So here I got the breakdown of my EC2, RDS and Elastic cache service reserve instance usage. So here you can see reserve instance cost, on demand usage. So I get the output which is nicely presented, okay, easy to read, right? My last query would be, I will ask, can you check cost usage in this week, highlight wastage and identify usage, identify saving opportunity. Here you can see for the open search service for this week the cost and then wastage. So here in the open search there is a wastage and I have opportunity for saving. For EC2 related services, so there is a spike, right? So purchasing reserve instance for the CloudWatch, security services like WAF, inspector, load balancing, storage. So yeah, so this was all about using AWS MCP servers to get insight of your account in easy and plain language, instead of working on the AWS console and going through the complex process. Hope you like this video. Thanks.